as well.
Do we want community partnerships stress balls? That'd be nice.
Sparky, you are super cute. Do you like cheese?
Only
Does Sparky have
7%.
cheese?
Mm-hmm. You can have cheese.
Oh, she just said her Betsy was one. Is this Sparky?
Yeah.
Okay, so nice chat. Ooh. See, I like that. Good job, Sparky. You're a cute dog. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, buddy. Want some more? I'm gonna take a look at your mouth.
This is like fun stuff. Not really stupid stuff. Yeah.
Good job, Sparky. Good job. Good job. Very brave.
Light skin, your skin tone.
His jaw seems pretty comfortable right now.
Okay.
So maybe you're seeing some licking from,
Overlicking.
yeah,
He'll go to
some like
sleep.
anxiety related, or is it just today that you were noticing it?
He would sleep and just start licking, just
Okay, okay,
very slow.
sure.
That's not good. I don't know.
Some of that too could be
Dehydration.
just, yeah, he might need something to drink, might just be a little personality thing. But he seems comfortable in his mouth when he's eating. He has a very mild amount of tartar on his teeth, but he otherwise looks great.
Does he need more weight?
He
A
could
little bit.
gain a little bit of weight, yeah. Maybe
10
another pound.
Oh, enough.
Yeah. So I don't know. Do you know about how much he's eating right now?